Welcome to our exploration of the Chinese alligator, a fascinating creature that has survived through millions of years of evolution. This ancient species of alligator is not only an integral part of its ecosystem, but also critically endangered. Today, we will delve into its unique physical features, diet, behavior, and the environmental challenges. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper appreciation for the Chinese alligator and the importance of its conservation. The Chinese alligator is a species that is only found in the wild in a small region of eastern China, specifically the Yangtze River Basin. Compared to other alligators, such as the American alligator, it is much smaller, with most adults reaching about 2 feet in length. This smaller size is adapted to its colder, temperate habitat, as opposed to the hot, tropical regions that other alligators prefer. These alligators are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They also have a unique behavior compared to other species in their genus, spending a significant amount of time in the water, but also coming ashore to bask in the sun or create nests. The Chinese alligator is a calm, slow gun-moving animal that is often mistaken for other species because of its similarities to the American alligator. The American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, found in the southeastern U.S., is much larger and more suited to warmer climates. While both species belong to the Alligator family, crocodiles like the saltwater crocodile Crocodile porosus and mugger crocodile Crocodile pioluestris belong to the Crocodilidae family. These crocodiles are generally larger and more aggressive than alligators. Alligators, crocodiles, and caimans are all part of the order Crocodilia, but they belong to different families: Alligatoridea alligators and caimans and Crocodilidae crocodiles, with each family evolving distinct traits. The Chinese alligator has several distinctive physical traits that set it apart. Its broad, flat head allows it to deliver a powerful bite, essential for catching prey. The alligator's eyes and nostrils are located on top of its head, which is perfect for ambush hunting. It can stay submerged while still watching for food. Its dark green or brown skin helps it blend seamlessly with the muddy riverbed, making it a stealthy predator. With a long, muscular tail, the alligator is capable of swift movements in the water. The Chinese alligator is native to the Yangtze River Basin, located in eastern China. This area is characterized by slow gun-moving rivers, marshes, and wetlands, which provide the perfect environment for these alligators. However, the Chinese alligator's habitat is quickly shrinking due to rapid urbanization and the construction of dams and other infrastructure. As China continues to develop, much of the alligator's natural habitat is being lost or degraded. In addition to human activity, water pollution has become a significant threat. Contaminated waters affect not only the alligator as food sources, but also their ability to survive and thrive in their habitat. Despite these challenges, efforts to protect and restore the Yangtze River ecosystem are underway, with designated protected areas for the alligator being established. The Chinese alligator is a carnivore that mainly eats fish, frogs, and small mammals. It hunts by staying still just below the water's surface, waiting to ambush its prey. When the prey gets close, the Chinese alligator strikes quickly with its strong jaws. As a nocturnal animal, it often hunts at night. Its slow, careful movements and ability to stay motionless help it catch small animals near the water's edge. The Chinese alligator has several key adaptations that help it survive. Structurally, it has strong jaws and sharp teeth for catching and tearing prey like fish and small mammals. Physiologically, it survives cold winters through beard matting, slowing its activity to conserve energy. Behaviorally, it basks in the sun to warm its cold, gun-blooded body. Chinese alligators are solitary animals, typically living alone and being highly territorial. They communicate using vocalizations like growls, barks, and bellows, especially during mating season. Scent marking is also used to establish dominance and defend their territories. Chinese alligators reproduce through external fertilization. Males attract females with vocalizations, and females lay 10 to 40 eggs in nests near water. The female bird guards the nest until hatching, during which time she is a devoted mother. After hatching, alligators usually accompany the young through the first winter. Chinese alligators help control populations of fish and amphibians, maintaining balance in wetlands. Their presence supports biodiversity and contributes to ecosystem health by aiding in water filtration and flood control. However, it is critically endangered, with fewer than 2,000 individuals left in the wild. Water pollution in the Yangtze River further threatens their survival. Their low reproductive rate and sensitivity to environmental changes make recovery difficult. To protect the Chinese alligator, the Chinese government has set up protected areas along the Yangtze River. Captive breeding programs are also helping to boost population numbers and maintain genetic diversity. Additionally, efforts to restore wetlands, clean polluted waters, and replant native plants are underway to improve the alligator as a habitat. While the future of the Chinese alligator remains uncertain, there is hope. Thanks to ongoing conservation efforts, the population of the Chinese alligator has slowly begun to increase. The future of the Chinese alligator remains uncertain. If the species were to go extinct, its numbers would devastate wetland ecosystems, cause imbalances in prey populations, and affect overall biodiversity. In conclusion, the Chinese alligator is an incredible survivor from the time of the dinosaurs. Its survival depends on the concerted efforts of individuals, conservationists, and governments worldwide. Let us all do our part to protect these incredible creatures and the ecosystems they call home. Remember, the future of our planet as wildlife depends on us.
夜明けの駅消える吐息指先に揺れる